Kargadora. Ay.
Happy na ba sa shipping fee?
Buang dapat lang. Kausan.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.
Buwa again and again. He's our financer, banker. Okay na mo to. Is it okay na?
Yeah, we're doing fine.
I really like the background. Oh, sige. Fine. So they have Tuslob, Buwa, like that. And then appetizers and pasta, drinks, pancit, shurba, like that.
I'm so tired.
I really like the food. Dito kayo diri mag-picture oh. Okay. Fun kayo siya. Wait, how dare you? Mag-picture mo na wala ako mag-vlog. Picture video ni siya. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Relax. Ba't ako dari guys? Hello. Welcome to.
Hi, welcome to me.
Nabayot. What's up? Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Okay, bukas. Me too.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so?
Diri lang sa ako ah. Ako siya i-vlog.
I don't know how to cook. I don't know how to cook because it's not familiar with me and it's my first time
Eating here.
coming in this place and I don't know what kind of food they're gonna serve or they're gonna cook, but let's see.
Charot! Let's see. Kuya. Kung sa to yung name ane? Balik? Atay. Ha? Liver spread? And this is the otop? No, it's not. This is the brain. This is the otop brain. Oh, I thought you think that the liver spread. This is the brain. That's the brain, yeah. You wanna eat pig's brain?
I don't think so, but I hope it's safe.
It's Mishra.
This is liver spread.
Liver spread. I'm gonna show you guys what's the ingredients, how to make Tuslob Buwa. You can put it here. We have the brain of the pig, this one. We also have oil, soy sauce, liver spread.
Liver.
What? And we have pepper. I don't know. Maybe this is pepper. And then we have onion and garlic. Is it garlic? Yeah, garlic. Yeah. And yeah, we have chili here. And we have the bayot buang there. Name, how old are you? Where are you from? And what's the best in you?
What's the best?
In you. What's the thing about yourself that you're proud of?
Okay, my name is Vince Ryan DeMarcus. I'm 18 years old. I'm currently living in Tuslob. And what's the best things about things? Okay, what's I really love about myself is I was able to. I am the kind of person who is always praying to God. Being a religious is very important to me since that I am part of a family who are religious. So I'm so thankful to God. Praise the Lord.
right?
Yeah, name, age,
Hi.
where are you from, and think that you're proud of yourself.
Alright, hi, I'm Mike, July Baget, and I am 24 years old. And then I think the best thing that I have is that my parents taught me how to be brave in spite of the adversities in life.
How to be grateful. The life there is very sad. And
My parents also taught me how to cook. Tuslob, Buwa. Charot.
okay, great. And how about the the regular customer of Tuslob? You keep coming back here, huh?
Unsa man ang question?
Tell me your name. Tell me.
No, bitaya daw.
No, yeah. Tell me your name. How old are you? Where are you from? And what's the best thing that you like about yourself or you're proud of?
Is this your second time?
Yeah, this is the
Yes,
second.
I've been here yesterday.
Yeah, okay. Answer my question, my
So my
time.
name is Michelle Angelo Maglaos and I live in Poblacion, Catigbian, Bohol. And I'm 26 years
Can you
old.
remove your
And
Yeah, can you remove your mask, please?
For us to really
Take two.
beauty.
and my usa tong
Balik. Take two.
Ikat rato niya ito.
Sige na, take two. Sige.
And my most at my young age, my most
I don't have a young age.
You're not young anymore.
I'm young. I look young. I look young.
What's the best thing about you that you're proud of?
So the best thing that I am proud to myself is that during my young age, I was able to travel around the world,
Wow.
specifically the part of Europe, and also I've been in the Caribbean, the beautiful island of Caribbean, and that's what makes my life
Amazing.
beautiful.
I want to ask more, questions. Like, can you tell me what countries have you visited?
So the countries that I have visited is Germany, UK, Belgium, France, Netherlands, and Taiwan as well. And Curacao, Bonaire, Aruba,
I want to go.
Kingstown, Barbados.
Is that a country or
Yes.
like a state or?
It's a country.
It's a country.
Yes.
And
Country like Philippines, Thailand, America, but I really love the most is India.
what are you
Uy, bayot ay
of the traveler? Ooh, sana all.
But I don't have any trouble speaking the English language.
You've been to Panglao.
Yeah.
There is-
I was born and raised in the United States of America, so we usually talk like that.
Hi guys,
Ay, wala pala pa. 1, 2, 3.
hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and for today's vlog, I will be teaching you on how to cook the Tuslob here
Okay.
in Bohol. The only Tuslob here in Bohol, I think. So first, because I washed my hand already, so first is you need to wear the gloves. The gloves by yun. Because I'm a left-handed person, so I don't.
I will put the gloves to my right. Para kataon yan.
So first is you need to
Kaya
check
mapakawaw dahil.
the,
Ito na ron. Very easy.
you need to check the gas. Same tawag kanina. So it's working.
It's
Charot.
firing. Where you can see it fire.
Gasoline ba yun?
Then we need
What gasoline?
we'll wait.
What gasoline? Asa sulin?
Cameraman.
Wait the pan to
Dali.
fly. Process the heat. Grabe, expectation na lang.
No. Before you put the ingredients, you need to tell us what's the ingredients that you have there.
Okay, the ingredients for the Tuslob are the basic one is the chili and the onion. I mean the garlic and the onion. No, this is the chili.
Chili.
Yeah, I'm sorry. The garlic and the onion.
Tumang this vlog.
This is very important in cooking food. Next is the soy sauce. Next is the olive oil.
Ah, branded!
I mean, olive oil. And
the brain.
this is the liver spread.
Yeah, yeah. No. That's not it. Liver gani.
Pepper.
Pepper.
And
The brain of the pig.
the main ingredient, which is the brain
brain.
of the pig.
Yeah.
Kinda it's soft,
Your brain?
but it's tasty. Delicious.
And first up, I think your pan is already hot. You listen.
Delicious na.
Wait, there's no fire anymore. Turned off.
Bongi.
Di ba nakabalik kay giniinit kaya mo?
So first
Step.
step is you need to put the oil first, of course.
In the
Inside.
where to put?
The food pan.
Food panda?
In the frying pan, rather.
Ako luto, ako
Ay, hawawa na siyang bayo. Ato na ganito.
Ikaw na lang story ha.
Okay, so first that we have to put the olive oil in the pan. So our chef will be the one to shake it up. Shake it up. Okay, once that the oil is already heated, it's on fire. We're not gonna wait for the time that the oil will be on fire. So because preheating. Preheating. Since that she already shake it.
Wow, she.
So since that the oil is already on heating. Okay, go and next step will be to put the onion and the garlic. Onion and garlic together slowly because it will be sick. But it's not because the oil is not yet heat.
And why did
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
kasalukuyang nagluluto ang mga tao dito? Because we're hungry. You have to cook the liver right together with the grain.
The garlic and the onions, and next you have to cook the liver spread together with the brains, and let them. Before you mix up the liver spread and the brains, you have the garlic should like a medium brown color or like brown in color. And right after that one, that's the best time for you to mix up the brain and the liver spread. Okay, see you later.
Pwede yung pagpapalagay.
This is the level squad.
What kind of...
This is the level squad.
Are you a British? Or Indian?
No, you're not allowed to get any of this ingredients. Joke. Yes.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.